Hello dear students, I am Anju Bansal and I welcome you all to my English online class. Let me explain to you a story from your English reader book, The God of River. This is a short and interesting story about a boy named Ramesh who used to throw garbage in a river. Let us read further to know what happened next. Once there was a small village called Dhampur. Kishan, a farmer, lived with his family in a small cottage in the village. Do you know what a cottage is, students? A cottage is a small house which is made of wood. He had a son, Ramesh. Ramesh was 11 years old. Kishan went to the fields for farming and Ramesh went to a school near the village. Whenever Ramesh's mother cleaned the house, she told him to collect the garbage and throw it away. What is garbage here? Garbage means trash, the household waste. He collected the garbage and threw it into the river that flowed near his cottage. As there was no other place near his house, there was no place where all the garbage was collected, he would throw it in the river. This was his daily routine. What is routine? Routine means a habit, something which you do every day. Many other families also did the same. The place where people threw the garbage became very dirty and smelly, but nobody bothered. No one cared for that place. Nobody cleaned the place. And slowly, all the garbage started collecting there and it became very dirty. One day, when Ramesh was about to throw the garbage, he saw someone wearing a golden crown come out of the river. He was tall and fair and held a golden pot full of water in his hand. But he looked very sad. Ramesh felt very scared. He was frightened to see that some person is coming out of the water. But he soon took courage and asked the person who he was and why he was so sad. The person said slowly, "I'm the god of water. I've been living in this river for many years. I'm sad because you are always throwing garbage into my water and polluting it. This river has now become very dirty." "What do you mean by polluting water?" asked Ramesh. Students, do you know what is polluting? What is the meaning of polluting? Let us read further to know the meaning of polluting. The water god said, "When you throw garbage into the water, it gets dirty. This garbage contains chemicals and plastics which are very harmful for the fish." What do you mean by chemicals here, students? Chemicals are the harmful substances which are present in the garbage. It has germs too. If someone drinks this water, he or she may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. These are very serious diseases which may be caused by drinking polluted water. Ramesh was surprised to know all this. He felt guilty for polluting the river so much. What is guilty here? Guilty means to feel bad, to realize your mistake. So Ramesh realized that he was making a mistake by throwing the garbage in the river and polluting it. He took all his garbage and went back to his home. Next day, Ramesh went to his school and shared his experience with his friends and his teacher. He told them about the god of water and what he said about polluting the river. The teacher gave him more information about water pollution. He gave him some more knowledge about water pollution. The teacher said, "We throw domestic and industrial waste, flowers, and so many other things into the river." What do you understand by domestic and industrial waste? Students, domestic waste means the waste which comes from our houses, and industrial waste is the waste which is coming out from factories and industries. This type of waste is more harmful and poisonous because it contains a lot of chemicals and poisonous substances. These things pollute our rivers and make them dirty. "Where should I throw the garbage then?" asked Ramesh. The teacher replied, "Dig a pit outside your house and put all the garbage into that pit." A pit, it means a big hole which is dug in the ground. When the pit is full, cover it with leaves. Leave it for a few days. The garbage will turn into manure. What do you understand by manure? Manure is the natural fertilizer which is very good for the growth of plants and crops. This type of manure is also called compost. Your father can use the manure in his fields. Ramesh was very happy at the idea. His father dug a pit the same day and they started throwing the garbage into the pit instead of throwing it into the river. So students, what have we learned from this story? We have learnt that we must not throw garbage into the river or on the road. Instead, we should throw garbage in dustbin or dig a compost pit just like Ramesh did. This will help to keep our environment clean and free from pollution. Hope you all have understood this lesson. Please read it once again. Thank you and have a nice day.